Hey, this is Brad Page with Joe Dion from Tech Support. We're here in Russound HQ, and Joe's going to show me how we can integrate an MBX amp with a TV. So let's say we're in my living room. I've got my MBX here, I got a Blu-ray player, and of course a speaker and the TV, and I'm listening to some radio right now.
That's right, yeah, we're listening to some local radio right directly selected from the favorite button here on the MBX. So it makes it super easy to get to. If you have a favorite station, you just hit that. But once this is all set up with the TV, really we're going to plug an optical cable in the back of this, connect it to the TV. We already have our Blu-ray source connected. Right. And the way this is designed is it's designed to just automatically switch from whatever you're listening to or not listening to right to the TV audio. So in this case, all we really need to do is program the remote that you already have to offer, so you're going to program for volume, up, down, mute.
Sure.
You're going to program the remote code right into this, right into the MBX.
So I can use whatever my personal favorite remote is,
Exactly.
right? I don't have to use any specific
Exactly.
control.
And that's the whole idea, is just to make it really easy. So you don't necessarily have to open up the app or do anything else. All you really got to do is turn the TV on. You can see it's green right now. The light is green. It's showing that we're listening to the streaming music. And once it switches over, which it will do automatically, when I turn the TV on, that light will turn blue.
Okay, so let's say I come home, have the music playing now, I want to watch my movie of the day. Show me what I would do next.
Yeah, in this case, I've got the video already going, so I'm just going to turn the TV on.
Okay.
And it will automatically switch over.
Take a minute for the TV to power up.
Yeah, so it takes a little bit of time for this particular TV. It's an a little older TV. It takes a bit to come up. But then when the video comes up, you'll notice that the light's blue, and all we have to do now is just turn the volume up on the remote in your hand. It's programmed to operate the product. Comes with an IR sensor here.
Yep, so you got the Russound
That's
SLM1
plugged
IR
in.
receiver right there, which is plugged in.
Yeah, just hit the
And so
volume.
we can turn it up. And so now we're listening to the TV audio through our MBX. So it's really a nice little integrated system we've got.
Exactly. Yeah, that's it. Very
That
simple.
is it. Real easy. But it's a real nice feature that most other streaming products do not offer. It's kind of unique to Russound. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you again next time.